Hi friends, this is Dr. Vishnu and you are watching my YouTube channel English Grammar and Composition. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it so that you will get the notifications of my upcoming videos. In this video, I am going to tell you about how to write a perfect job application letter. Most of the students who have passed out from their schools and colleges try to find the jobs in the various fields, but finally they come to know that they are unable to write a perfect job application letter. So this video would be definitely helpful to those who are trying to conquer the skill of writing a perfect job application letter. So guys, let's So friends, you can see on the right side of the screen that there is a format opened in a WordPad containing the important elements of writing a good job application. As you can see on the screen that the important elements of application writing are highlighted on the screen. You can see title, date, employer's full address, then subject, name of the applicant, reference, then salutation, opening paragraph, middle paragraph, closing paragraph, and applicant's sign with full name. So guys, while writing the application letter, don't forget to write the title of the letter in the top middle of the page. Then you have to write the date in the right corner of the page. There are so many formats of date writing. You have to choose one which is convenient for you. The next important part of the letter writing is employer's full address. Here in this block, you have to give the address, you have to write the address of your employer. Suppose you are applying for the job of a teacher in a school, then you have to write the address of the headmaster. If you are applying in a college, then you have to write the designation of the employer, then the full address including college name, city, etc. etc. Now you can see there is another part of letter writing which is also highlighted on the screen, that is subject. Subject is nothing but it is a brief summary of your letter. By reading subject, anyone can understand what is the content of your letter. So while writing subject, you have to be careful. Suppose you are applying for the job of an engineer, write here application for the post of engineer. Suppose you are writing for the post of a teacher, then write here application for the post of a teacher. Another important section of the letter writing is name of the applicant, which is also highlighted on the right side of the screen. In this section, you have to write your full name and if possible, give the details like email ID, mobile number so that if necessary, employer can contact with you. Another section of letter writing which you can see on the screen is reference, and you can see also that where did you get the information from. Suppose you are applying for the post of an engineer and you read the advertisement in the newspaper. Mention here in which newspaper you read the advertisement, and you also have to mention the date on which the advertisement was appeared. If you saw the advertisement on website, then mention on which website you saw the advertisement, and if you get the information from any other source, mention there from which source you got the information regarding the vacant post. Salutation is the next important crucial point in letter writing. We can divide the whole body of the letter into three different paragraphs. First, you can see there is opening paragraph in which you have to give brief information regarding why you are writing this application letter. In the middle of the paragraph, you have to highlight whatever skills you have. Suppose you have an experience, then you have to mention there that I am having 4, 5, 6 years experience. You also have to mention your qualification and other relevant information, and don't forget to write that you have attached your resume in the support of the mentioned information. Now you have to turn towards closing paragraph. Here you have to mention whatever expectations you have from your employer, and don't forget to thank him for the consideration of your candidature. Now there is the last part of the letter writing. Applicant sign with full name, and before that you have to write yours sincerely, then write your full name and make your signature. So guys, this was about which are the crucial parts you have to keep in mind while writing a perfect job application letter. As we saw that title, date, employer's full address, subject, full name of the applicant, reference, salutation, opening paragraph, middle paragraph, and closing paragraph. Then in the last of the letter, you have to write your full name with signature. So these are the important parts of the letter writing. And now, for the sake of the YouTube viewers, I have also prepared one application letter which you can see in the right side of the screen. As you can see that for the tutorial, I have chosen a question: write an application for the post of assistant professor in English. See guys, in the middle of the page, I have written application letter. Then in the right side, you have to put the date. Here in this example, you have to apply for the post of assistant professor in English, means you are applying in a college. So therefore, I have taken the address of the employer, the principal, St. Mary College, Texas. Now let's have a look at the subject. In the subject, I have taken application for the post of assistant professor in English. Reading the subject, anyone can guess about the content of the letter, and therefore writing subject, you have to be very careful. Before the title applicant, you have to write your complete name. In the reference section, I have given the reference of the place of the source from which I got the information regarding the vacant post of assistant professor in English. So I read the advertisement in a newspaper which is named as Washington Post, dated this place I have left blank. So here you can write the date on which you are applying. In the place of salutation, I have written respected sir. You also can write respected ma'am. You also can write dear sir or dear ma'am. But if possible, try to avoid writing dear sir or ma'am, because this is not proper in a formal letter. You can see guys, the body of the letter is divided into 3 paragraphs. First paragraph is an opening paragraph in which I have written, with the reference to the subject mentioned above or above mentioned subject, I am herewith forwarding this application for the vacant post of assistant professor in English. I have completed my graduation and post-graduation from the Texas University with first class and a doctoral degree from Yale University in 2001. As I told you that in the second paragraph, you have to highlight whatever skills you have and don't forget to mention your experience in the same field. So therefore, I have written, I hold an experience of 5 years in as an assistant professor in English in National College, Mumbai. The same information is also mentioned in the resume, so therefore I have written as mentioned in my resume attached herewith. In the next line, I have written, I think I am capable enough to handle the responsibility with efficiency. Here, don't forget to mention that why they should select you. The third paragraph, which is a closing paragraph in which you have to mention your expectations from your employer, and obviously you are writing an application letter, therefore your expectation is that they should consider your application seriously and give you a chance to serve their institution. You have to thank them in anticipation, and finally, you have to make your signature writing your full name. So, guys, this was about how to write an effective, perfect job application letter, and I hope that this video would be helpful to you. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it, like it, share the link, and if you have any suggestions, please write in the comment box. Thank you.